Hey guys, so it's Connor here, back inside another video where today, sorry if my camera's absolutely rubbish, it's got like really bad quality, I'm sorry. But today I'm going to be playing with my brother Harry, he's nearly 7, but you know. And we're going to be playing Roblox, and this game is called Zombie Attack. So yeah, let's go. So I've just recently turned level 102, and yeah, so let's go. Alright now, so it's wave 13 right now, and I think Harry is just coming back now from getting changed. She just went to go get changed like a minute ago. So yeah, I've got a really good gun actually, it's called Thompson. I've only just recently got it. Oh, here's Harry. So yeah, I've only just recently got it, and it's actually really good for killing zombies. I think the best gun I've got for killing zombies is a sniper, because it kills them in like legit one shot. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing more face cam videos to improve my YouTube career. So yeah. Oh, level 103. Yay. I'm gonna just quickly tell you stuff. So enemies left is how many enemies left until the next. Oh, there's Harry twirling around as a zombie. He's a zombie for me. He wanted to be a zombie. There's Harry. Say hi, Harry! He just said hi. I'm not sure if you could hear him, but he said hi. So Harry's a zombie right now, but when it's like the next wave, which it just is now, he should be alive again. So yeah. You can also get special powers, which is, right now I've got Molotov, I think it's called, which is like a grenade. You can throw it, so like this. Like that, and then you can get swords in this. So I've got the leaf sword. Most swords you get from levels, so I'll show you. So here's the shop. So here are all the guns I've got. So I've got pistol, revolver, Uzi, trench shotgun, M1 Garand, Type 100. Sorry, I'm gonna die. Type 100, M16, sniper, tactical shotgun, and Thompson, which I'm using now. Thompson. So yeah, and then through all my knives, I've got basic knife, which you get at the start, death shard, clockwork, katana, Asia sword, earth sword, firebrand, ice dragon, venom shank, and leaf sword, which I'm also using now. Oh, hi Josh. My friend Josh from school has just joined. Josh. Or Zach, because he's got a brother who also plays on this account. And Rex. So yeah, where's my brother right now? I can't really see him anywhere. Is he a zombie? I'm not totally sure. But yeah, that's the basics of this game. You can also buy zombies. And you can get pets. Right now I've only got the epic duck because it's epic. So yeah, I only got it because it's epic. Anyway, yeah, let's just go and do some shooting. Honestly, my friend Owen just joined too. Anyway, as I was saying, they are just the basics of the game. If you wonder where I am now, I'm just in the lobby because I died because I was speaking and recording. So yeah, and here's my friend Owen. Owen, I'm recording on YouTube. Say hi. I don't think he'll know because he's only in year 3. Wait, what level is Owen? Has he played this before? He's level 106. Hi YouTube, he put. So, yeah, that's just the basics of the game, as I was saying. So, let's go. Okay, so I'm now alive. Yay. And there's loads of zombies. So I'm just gonna go and kill them all. So, yeah. Boom! Looks like Owen has actually played this game before. I'm actually surprised. Oh, you can throw swords? Right, I did not know that. Oh yeah, that's how you normally throw swords in games, so I'm expecting you can. Yeah, you can. Look. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oof. And it also does a lot of damage actually, so yeah. Later, hopefully also I'm going to be doing a sniping video in Phantom Forces. So yeah, I'm going to be playing Phantom Forces after this game actually, so I might record in the time being, since I'm going to be playing it like really soon. Did you see how that zombie spawned then? It literally landed on its head. You may find this game really boring, but when you get into it, it's actually really fun. There's also, as you may see up here, there's waves until boss. So there's about 1 or 2 more waves until you need to fight the actual like big boss. Which can be any boss. There's a load of bosses and the game just randomly chooses automatically. So, yeah. Level 104, that's amazing. Oh god, that scared me. It literally just went up to my face. Spam, click so I can kill you all. Spam, click so I can kill you all. Okay, I tried to hide up here, but zombies can get up easily. I'm gonna try again, see if a zombie will come to me. Yeah, looks like they can get up. Oh, God. Super speed. Yeah, you can, like I said, you can also get power-ups like super speed and grenades. So, yeah. Oh, there's a tank vampire. They're actually really hard to kill. Connor. Yes. Omi. Omi, he put in the chat. What? Oh, come. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, where's he gone now, actually? Oh, there he is. Oh, it's the boss now, guys, like I was saying. He's a big boss. So, where's the boss? It tells you. Okay, it's over here. Oh, it's the King Slime this time. King Slime. That's a really unique name. Oh, gosh. And it does, like, really cool superpowers. So, yeah, you just need to try and kill it. And mostly every time you kill, like, a boss. Oh, it also does superpowers where you, like, sit down. Yeah, every time it does... Wait, what was I talking about again? Oh, never mind, I forgot. But whenever King Slime does, like, powers like that, and it hits you, you sit down. But randomly, I think I glitched and it didn't make me sit down then. Or should I say trip up? See, like that. It's I'm really low health now because everybody's helping out. This is the quickest time I've ever like killed a boss before. Well, killing. It's nearly dead already, and that's actually not really normal. Hey, it's dead. Yay, level 106. Told you. Wait, is Harry still in the game? Yeah. Harry's the top in the server right now. Hi, zombie. Oh my gosh, I hit it in the wrong place. I didn't mean that as a... If you're dirty minded, you'll find that different. Whoa. Lava zombie, Owen, you're gonna get hit at the top of the tree, you know. Let's stop going up the tree. Oh, tank vampire. Like I said, these are actually pretty hard to kill sometimes. Hit it in the face. Level 107. See, it gives you a lot of experience. Also, if you kill someone, look, it gives you experience and money. It'll say when you kill it.
I was that blue zombie. I'm gonna be.
Say hi to YouTube, Harry. Come here. Come here.
Hi.
That's Harry.
I was
Oh,
I was that blue zombie spinning.
Oh, I didn't see you spin. Yeah, that's Joshua Davis. If you don't know Harry. And you know Owen Clark.
Yeah.
He's in this game. Where is he? You know.
Wait, is he actually here?
Yeah, Owen Clark's in this game. Where is he? Oh, there he is. You see the one with the white hair there?
Yeah.
The Adidas. Look, Owen Mac. Owen Mac. That's Owen Clark.
I'm gonna go with my best one.
Okay. So yeah, as I said, Harry's playing. Shout me out. Yeah, shout out to Owen Mac. So Owen MACC. So OWENMACC. Owen Mac on Roblox. Go right in. Yep, shout out to Owen Mac. You think it's a stupid and ridiculous name? He said his dad made it up, so like, yeah. Okay, he put a love heart to me. I'm not gay, but you know, I'm sorry. Anyway guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. I bet you did. Anyway, yeah, I was just showing you through the basics of the game and then started shooting some zombies. I know it sounds a bit boring, but yeah, that's what I did. I'll see you later in the sniping video of Phantom Forces, and I'll see you later. Bye! And please like and subscribe. Bye!